Today I'm going to show you how to move a page in Google Sites. This process is simple and I'll guide you step by step so you can easily rearrange your site's navigation or keep your pages organized. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and have the Google Sites project open where you want to move a page. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a tab labeled Pages. Click on it. This is where you manage your site's structure. You'll see a list of all your current pages. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the hierarchy, as this reflects how visitors navigate your content. Next, locate the page you want to move. It could be at the bottom or nested under another section. Once you've found it, simply click and hold the page, then drag it to its new position within the sidebar. Google Sites provides visual indicators to help you align it correctly. If you want to nest it under a main heading, this drag and drop feature makes it easy. Once it's in the right spot, release the mouse button. Double-check your site to ensure the page appears where you want it. Previewing your site can help confirm that the navigation structure reflects your new order. And that's it. Moving pages in Google Sites is really that easy. With just a few clicks and a simple drag, you can keep your site organized